And now we're in the moat. There's the road bridge that leads into the city through the massive fort. And then we're getting ready to enter one of the huge towers. And here's where we came out. And one of the main gates to the city that's still used by cars. Inside the round fort, you can shoot outward and inward. Now we are in the round tower at the main gate with the cannons. Here's the cannon. And then it goes back around. Another section of the round tower. And then another look from the outside. And there was the tower with the cannons in it. And there's the moat. There's one of the cannons in there. There's the gateway and the bridge. And there's the moat. And a little covered bridge over there. Otto. inside the round fort. Up there's where the cannons were. With the active road still going through the fort, which is kind of dangerous because it's so narrow. There's the little doorway that's called a manhole. If you were late to get back in the village, they wouldn't open up the main gates. They'd make you pay a fine and climb through this little door. Because if they opened the main gates, it made the village vulnerable for attack. So that little door is where the word manhole comes from.